Hello everybody, my name is Joker and you are here for the off-season recap of the Joker's Marble League. So it's been quite a long wait since Season 5 ended, and we've seen many great results of our teams in last season. We've seen many upsets, many surprises, but the off-season was also very eventful. There were many changes. Two teams actually changed in the active pool of the JML. And let's start with the announcements. The Royal Jesters have announced that they are stopping to compete in the Joker's Marble League because they had too much pressure with both VKL and the JML, and they decided to leave the JML, and as a result they freed one team spot for the Joker's Marble League. And after that, the Earthquakers announced that they're selling the franchise to a brand new owner, and for that reason there was a draft set up where people could apply for being the owners of the new teams, and the new Marble team will be joining the Joker's Marble League. And so the teams as a result were chosen, and the Fatal Fragments will be the new Earthquakers franchise. Their successors and members are Destiny and Karma. So the Earthquakers are now the Fatal Fragments, get used to that. And the new team, the new franchise in the JML, is the Airborne Ambush with members Lockheed and Northrop, and they'll be starting their rookie campaign in the B League of Season 6, just as the Fatal Fragments, because they are relegated. And so we are ready for the changes in the off-season. The Time Watchers, first of all, were invited to participate in the Marble Invite Season 3. Yet again, their second invitation to the Marble Invites, the biggest Marble crossover in the community. After the successful Season 2 outing, they are back. And after that, the Watchers announced a change that Luna will be changing their nickname to Stargaze, starting with the following season. And so is now Stargaze and Kronos as their members in the JML roster. So the Time Watchers are hoping to revert from an unsuccessful Season 5 outing and do better. And the next change is very surprising because the Neon Lights, they actually bring back their member Razzle, who some of you may remember from Season 4. And Glamour is back to the bench of the team. Razzle is back on the active roster, so Razzle and Dazzle, this duo, is reunited in the Neon Lights roster. And the next change was by Coasting Corals, who parted ways with Sponge, the Season 2 champion in this team, by the way. And their new member will be Seahorse, hoping to escape the B League finally after 2 years of being here, being relegated, and having a more solid campaign last time out. And the next change was by the Shamrockers, who replaced Clover by Leafy after being relegated in the last season. Of course, they needed to refresh something in their team, and as a result they brought in Leafy. They will be replacing Clover and teaming up with Lucky on this team. And this is it with the changes. So the next thing coming is the season itself. The qualifiers, the draw is coming very soon. The draw this weekend, and the qualifiers coming also very soon for events: Hurdles, Maze Duel, Final Sprint, and the Elimination Race, as well as a friendly round. And there will be 2 parts of the qualifiers, so it will be 2 events in each part. So stay tuned for that, it's coming very soon. We are back in that mode for the Joker's Marble League Season 6. And thanks for watching everyone, keep on rolling, and see you soon for the qualifiers and the draw. Goodbye.